Good morning and Jai Gurudev student. Welcome to our online class. Today we will discuss exercise 4.3 question number 5. You have already completed up to question number 4. Now in question number 5 here given from the choices given below. Choose the equation whose graphs are given in figure 4.6 and figure 4.7. For 4.6, these four equations are given and this one is the 4.6 figure and this one is the equation of 4.7 figure, and for this figure these four equations are given. We have to choose which one equation satisfies this one graph. Do you understand? Here four equations are given for this graph, and these four equations, which one equation satisfied this one graph. First we check in this graph. Here three coordinates are given. One coordinate is -1, 1. Second one coordinate 0, 0. Third one coordinate 1, -0. Now -1, 0 means -1. Suppose here how many point? One coordinate is -1, -1, 1. Second one 0, 0. Third one given 1, -1, 1, -1. Now you take equation number 1. Equation number 1 what given? Equation number 1 given x, y equal to x, y equal to x. Now if we put this -1, 1 means what? Here x is equal to -1 and y equal to 1. Therefore, if we put x is equal to -1, then y will be -1. That's why this one coordinate not satisfied this equation. That means equation number 1 is not a equation number 1 is not a equation of this graph. Second one given what? X plus y equal to 0. Now if we put x is equal to here x is equal to -1, and y equal to 1, then what happened? -1, 1 is equal to 0. That's why this one coordinate satisfied this one equation. And 0, 0, if we put x 0, y 0, then 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. That's why this one coordinate satisfied this one equation. And 1, -1, if we put x is equal to 1 and y equal to -1, 1 plus -1 is equal to 0. That's why these three coordinates satisfied equation number 2. That means we can say this one graph equations is x plus y. Next again we check y equal to twice x. Number y equal to how much? Twice x. If we take y equal to twice x, if we put x is equal to -1, then y will be -2. But here 1. That's why this one coordinate not satisfied this one equation. That means what? That means this equation is not a graph of this equation. Next one, fourth one equation. What? Fourth one equation. We take 2 plus 3y equal to 7x. Now if we put -1, x is equal to -1, then 7, and this one equation we can simplify like this way also. 3y equal to 7x minus 2. That means 3y equal to y equal to 7x minus 2 by 3. Now if we put x is equal to -1, then -7 minus 2 is equal to -9. -9 divided by 3 is equal to -3. But here what given? minus 1 1. That means this coordinate not satisfied this one equation. Means what happened? This one graph, this equation is not a, this graph not satisfied this one equation. When we check, then we will get only equation number 2, x plus y equal to 0. This one equation satisfied this one graph. Similarly, for this graph also, here 4 equations are given. These 4 equations similarly we have to check. When we check, here 3 coordinates minus 1 3, 0 2 and 2 0. These 3 coordinates are given. These 3 coordinates are the point of this graph, this straight line. Now minus 1 3 means here x is equal to minus 1, y equal to 3. If we put x is equal to minus 1, then y will be what? Minus 1 plus 2 means minus 1. But here 3 given. That's why this equation not satisfied this one graph. And second one, if we put x is equal to minus 1, then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 will come. Y equal to minus 3. But here given what? If we put minus 1, then y will be in this equation we will get minus 3. But here given 3. That's why this equation also not satisfied. Then third one equation, y equal to minus x plus 2. Here x is equal to, if we put minus 1, then minus minus plus 1 and plus 2. That means 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. That means this one coordinate satisfied this equation. Similarly 0 2, x is equal to 0, y equal to 2. If we put x is equal to 0, then 0 plus 2 is equal to how much? 2. That's why this one coordinate also satisfied this one equation. And this 2 0, if we put x is equal to 2, then minus 2 plus 2 equal to y equal to 0. That means these 3 coordinates satisfied this one equation. Means what happened? The graph of this equation is y equal to minus x plus 2. Again, fourth one equation we have to say x plus twice y equal to 6. Here if we put x is equal to minus 1, then this one, and y equal to 3, then minus 1, 2 3 is 6, 6 5 and this side 6. That means this one coordinate not satisfied this equation. That means when we check, we will get y equal to minus x plus 2. This equation satisfied this. These 3 coordinate satisfied this one equation. Means the graph of this equation is y equal to minus x plus 2. Therefore, question number, we can solve this one, question number 5. Here in figure, minus 1 1 0 0 and 1 minus 1 are given the coordinates. Here every point on the graph, these 3 points, every point on the graph of figure 4.6 is satisfied in the equation which one? X plus y equal to 0. Therefore, for graph of figure 4.6 are correct equation out of 4 equation is what? X plus y equal to 0. That means x is equal to, we can write minus y. If we bring this one, for here 3 coordinates I have already discussed, minus 1 1. Here x is equal to minus 1, then y will be 1. If we put x is equal to minus 1, then y will be how much? Minus 1 will come. Okay. If we put y equal to 1, then x will be minus 1. If we put x is equal to minus 1, then y will show minus y is y equal to 1. And if we put 0 0, x is equal to 0, then y will be 0. And for x is equal to 1, if we put x is equal to 1, then y will be minus 1. Okay, then this one equation satisfied, this one equation satisfied this one equation, this coordinate. Similarly, 4.7 figure, from figure we get what? Minus 1 3 2 0 2 2 0 are the given coordinates. Okay. Now every point on the graph, this one satisfied equation which one? 3 y equal to minus x plus 2. Therefore, the correct equation out of 4 equation is y equal to minus x plus 2. That means we can verify like this way also. For this coordinate, if we put x is equal to minus 1, then minus 1 minus 1 minus minus 1 is equal to plus 1 plus 2 is equal to y equal to 3. Therefore, we get 3. And if we put x is equal to 0, if we put x is equal to 0, y equal to 2. Y equal to 2. That means this one coordinate satisfied this one equation. Similarly, like this way. Okay. Have you understood?